What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin. We had a very tough period, especially with S&P 500, as I showed you before. The drop was like especially sharp in the end, and we reached more than 20% decline. That is very similar to the cases of a capitulation and a sharp, basically just a long squeeze, right? We can see here, we can see here, we can see here, very similar. So I actually even plotted, showed this channel. And even in fact, it's regular, not a logarithmic time scale. So we are kind of close to the bottom of this channel, and from there we already have the pullback. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, it's really low. It's not sustainable to stay that low, so there is like a balance between buys and sells, and like demand, supply and demand cannot be that imbalanced, right? So probably, very likely, from here we will have a pullback. We already had it, as I mentioned. We already had it. If you look at the pre-market right now, it's kind of getting traction already, bullish side momentum, and it's actually didn't show any like a losing of this momentum so far. We covered the what I call it, the gap previously, which we had, and the pattern here is actually pretty bullish. We're aiming to 5,600, to be honest with you. And in fact, all the other markets like German DAX, the Nikkei from Japan, they are all in a pretty good shape right now. So in fact, even Bitcoin made, well, not even, Bitcoin made like 88%, and we are back to the game with the same channel as we had before. We are at least above $86,000. We had a new low, right? We had a new low. We're still within the descending channel, but it is just a temporal thing. Also, the pattern is looking like a reversal pattern for the drops. So it's not necessarily the reversal at the moment, but at least a very good chance. And there is some kind of optimism across the world about the tariffs wars and how it will develop and so on. So maybe some negotiations, and people get more optimistic and bullish, and markets will go up. And again, Bitcoin held really well during that drop. This is phenomenal strength, in my opinion. We also had a nice volume here, which is also supporting the fact that this is potentially like a reversal point. So well, you can see, for example, this one, right? But this was such a huge amplitude. So again, I would say we're in a good shape. Probably tomorrow we'll see even higher price. Again, I'm not saying that this is set in stone. I'm pretty neutral at the moment, but if the price goes lower, I still think it's correction, so I'll buy more. Not a financial advice, but already from here it's tempting to enter some long positions in addition to those which I already have, because it seems like there's a chance to break this downtrend and we'll go to the upside from now on. I guess I just wanted to share with you some optimism here, and yeah, that's what it is in the market right now. Hopefully it is helpful, and you'll get some profits as well. So I appreciate you watching the channel, and leave a like, subscribe, do all this stuff, and thank you very much for being with me. See you tomorrow. Probably I'll make a new update, and that's it for today. Goodbye.